so close to all-time highs, you know. Whatever we do, I'm looking for that pop at the open, quick move into 3,300, and then it fell. 95 and then it fell. So I'd like to see a pullback into this PCH. That's what would really get juicy. So I don't know. Here's a chance to get a nice low risk trade on Amazon, right at VPOC. Now's a chance to get on Amazon, just set the stop. Get up into 98 again here is test this highs. I want to take some profits here. In fact, I'm probably going to take some profits. You're just through 90 and then 98 be my second target. And then you need to really watch the tape here. It looks looking good. Let's see what we get here. Watching the tape here. See if any size comes in, tries to stuff 3,300. Yeah, I'm going to take profits. I'm going to take more off. I'm going to get about 8 off here. If I see any signs of 3,300 getting stuffed, I'm just going to take whatever I can get and call it. Oh, now look at this. Let's see what we print 3,300. Nice. Well, I got a nice feel. Amazon's looking good. I mean, I about top tick those cells. So, I mean, that's gorgeous.